so.
That was kind of sucky.
Yeah. Nope. Get out the other way.
So where will you go from here?
Huh?
Where will you go from here?
Well, I think this takes you back around to where we started.
Okay.
And then we'll come back out on that road again, and I'll just go on 93 south. Or wherever it was. I know where it was. We're not in a rush.
I didn't realize there was free parking anywhere. That worked out pretty good.
Now, right now, we're driving.
Over
Over
there.
the dam. Dam. This was a lot better than I thought.
Mm-hmm. According to Colin, the traffic had been horrific.
Colin what?
The traffic was horrible, but that road was not built yet. They were just finishing it.
Yeah, well, I'm sure that took a lot of the brunt of the traffic away.
Should we take a picture of the Arizona time or hold